Film Beat. Firstly, congratulations for your collaboration with Flipkart. So tell me like how you came on board.
Yeah. So I think in the lockdown, I was making a lot of videos and I was doing all this crazy stuff just to keep myself busy. And uh, people noticed me quite a bit in the digital space. My videos are going viral on YouTube and things like that. And I guess Flipkart Video just took notice of that, and they wanted to work with me. They said, they've been doing a lot of shows already. Quite a bit of shows were on Flipkart Video with a lot of celebrities, and a lot of good stuff was going out there, good content. And they really wanted to create like fun, content like short videos, short video format. So they said it'll be really fun if they could collaborate with me, and I was so happy to hear from them because I've always wanted to do my own show, always wanted to have my own show, and really put myself out there, especially in the digital space. So it is really huge that I'm working with Flipkart Video and this show has come out, and this is my first show ever. So I'm extremely happy.
So as you said, this is your first show and this is your OTT debut, kind of, if we'll say that in that. So what do you have to say about this debut and now looking forward for like what kind of scripts or something like that? Like, what do you have to say?
As of now, I'm really focusing on this show because there's so much here. There's so much happening on this one already. As if you know, the format of the show is, I do my bit, my comedy. Obviously, if I'm there, so I will be making people laugh. वो तो मैं करूंगी ही, but at the same time, it's there's a little quiz show that we do. I ask people 2-3 questions, and they win prizes. So this show has so much already. Shot for a couple of episodes already, and it's looking really good. So अभी तो इस पे ही focus कर रही हूँ. And at the same time, there's a feature film that I shot for last year in November, and that will be coming out in the month of later this year. And there are a couple of other projects. But yeah, as of now, this is my baby, and I'm putting all my energies into this one, into FYI.
Exactly. And first, for your information, what other things you came up and whose video, like a Flipkart video, you have seen or you have liked, or one of your best Flipkart video, like you seen any celebrity or someone.
Yeah, there are a couple of nice quiz shows that were already on it. Like Ritesh Deshmukh, he has a show, right? And there's another comedian also, Sugandha. She also has another show on Flipkart Video, and these shows are doing really well. People received it really well. And there's been a rise in this quiz show format during the lockdown. People wanted like more interactive shows because they were sitting home. So उनको चाहिए था कि they want to go on platforms where they can interact, they can do these Q&As, and they can win prizes. So these quiz shows were really working out. So there were a lot of game shows that Flipkart Video was already doing. So we thought, let's just do another one of these interactive shows. But obviously, with me on the show, it will be definitely slightly different. I'll be adding my own charm to it, my quirks and my naughtiness, and obviously my comic timing. So that is what will make this show a little more unique. And because that I play a lot of characters all the time, I'm constantly speaking in different accents and languages. So that is something that I will be bringing to the show. I'm anyway playing a character called Kinjal Bhansali Choksi. She's a character called KBC, and she's someone who has a lot of knowledge. And she's constantly giving people like information. Ki, bhai, did you know that this is there? Did you know about Ranveer Singh? Did you know about when this bridge was made? Do you know about this country? So she's constantly giving information to people. And yeah, she's street smart. She's intelligent. So I'm excited to be playing this unique character and bringing this new flavor on this show.
Great, great. That's amazing. And since you are here, or koi mimicry now, it's not possible. So, Hali mein, like I was just going like doing Google about you. So I came across, Farah Khan. She posted your video on social media, and she said, yeah, now his son is making fun of her. So when you get these kind of love and appraisal, what do you have to say? What like how does it feel?
I like the fact that, you know, as I'm going to talk about Farah ma'am especially. She's a sport. She's such a sport, and she understands, you know, when somebody is doing comedy, how to receive it. You know, it's not like there are a lot of people who will just unnecessarily take offense, but she understands comedy, and she, receives this kind of humor, you know, very well. And she's always been supportive, and she's always, you know, she also gave me a call and she said, क्या कमाल कर रही है तू, क्या कर रही है यार तू, एकदम पागल जैसे कुछ भी कर रही है, अभी मुझे हर कोई बोलता है कि तू मेरी मिमिक्री करती है. So she, she appreciated me, she really supported me, and I like that. And I think people should understand humor, understand comedy this way, and should not think so much. इतना fuss नहीं करना चाहिए, इतना सोचना नहीं चाहिए. Should just take it in good stride and enjoy it. And I like the fact that she enjoys it. And I think all the videos that I make also, I try to make sure that it's light humor. It's not really, uh, too personal. I make sure that it's, something that everybody can enjoy. अगर वो celebrity खुद भी मेरा interview देखे, they will enjoy it. And so far, it's always been, touch wood. Everybody who's watched my videos, celebrities themselves have said, that we've enjoyed watching you. So I'm happy.
And like when I was like about to do the interview, like your fans, they desperately said, they have requested me to, tell you कि कंगना रनौत की कोई recent memory, mimicry if you can do.
Oh,
Like Kamna ki mat karao yaar.
yeah.
Yeah, no, sorry, we will avoid mimicries. Huh?
Okay.
No, I
Apart
think
from
we already got a good piece of JB. She did Farah, and
Yeah, that's Farah.
that's what people
Yeah.
love her about. I think that's good enough for today.
Yeah.
yeah, and that is, and apart from that, since this Flipkart video, this information is not just about cinema. It's also about politics and sports. So, tell me, like, ये सारे genre में कितना interest है apart from entertainment.
Actually, to be very honest, politics से मैं काफी दूर ही रही हूँ. But और sports, I just know because मेरा भाई बड़ा fanatic है. He likes sports and all of that. He likes cricket, football. So whatever information I have, I know from him. And my dad and my brother really enjoy watching cricket matches. So I've always been a part of that setting. Whenever they're watching a match, I always like to sit with them because इतनी energy up होती है, and they go all out. तालियां बजती हैं जोर जोर से, घर में चिल्लम चिल्ली होती है, या 4 या 6, there's a lot of screaming and cheering constantly happening. So I like that the energy is good. But yeah, I did not know much about politics, but yes, I'm excited that through this character and through the show, there's a lot that I'm learning myself, about our country. There's so much to learn. There's so much information that I did not know about, and I'm so glad that मैं सीख रही हूँ, and at the same time I'm able to share it with everybody. So for your information, सिर्फ ऐसे हंसी मजाक नहीं है, but it's definitely spreading awareness, educational है, इतना informative है. So I'm excited about this show, and Flipkart Video we're doing a great job together, where this collaboration has just been absolutely fun. And they had some great ideas, and I'm bringing my fun to it. So I think together we're working as a great team.
Great. And apart from that, जाने से पहले क्या कुछ message आप fans को देना चाहते हैं? And what next after this? Where can we see you next? What is in pipeline? What you would like to share?
Yeah. I just want to tell all of you, thank you so much for supporting me. जिन जिन लोगों ने मेरे videos enjoy किए in the last year, thank you for that. And जिन लोगों ने अच्छे अच्छे comments किए, thank you so much. I've been reading all your comments and I've been receiving your love. And it's because of you guys that I've got this show. And I have my own show now on Flipkart Video, and I would really, really love it. अगर आप लोग, if you could download this app, it's a free app. Go on this app, watch me in the video section, watch me in Flipkart Video. I'm going to be right there. I'm going to be entertaining you as usual. And I'm going to be making sure that you win prizes also. The questions are going to be really simple. So you can join the show, watch the show on a regular basis. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And please send me feedback. You know where to find me. You're going to find me on Flipkart Video. I'm going to be right there, entertaining you.
All right. Thank you so much, Jemmy, for connecting us. And it was pleasure to talk to you. And all the best. Definitely, we are looking
Thank you
forward for
so much.
more. And, yeah, hope to see you soon. Thank you for giving us time.